In this video, we will show you how to use S100 helicopter. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screw and open the battery cover. Then, put 4 AAA batteries into the remote control. Close the battery cover and use the screwdriver to tighten the screw. Connect the USB charging cable to the charging port of the helicopter. Then plug another end into the adapter or the laptop's USB port. The indicator light will turn red when the helicopter is fully charged. First, turn on the switch on the bottom of the helicopter. The light starts flickering. Then press the power button to turn on the remote control. The indicator light starts blinking. Raise the left joystick up and down. The pairing is successful when the indicator lights stay constant. Push the left joystick upward. All blades begin to rotate. Push the left joystick upward again, the helicopter takes off. Push the left joystick downward, the helicopter lands. Push the left joystick upward. All blades begin to rotate. Press the 1-key takeoff land button, the helicopter takes off. Press the button again, the helicopter lands. Thank you for viewing our setup instructions video.